Ever just lie on the grass and stare up at the sky, watching those big, fluffy cotton balls drift by? We see clouds almost every day, but have you ever really thought about what they are? They seem so light and airy, like you could just reach out and grab a handful. But what if I told you the average cumulus cloud, the classic puffy white one, weighs over 1,000,000 pounds? Yeah, you heard me right. That's like 100 elephants floating above your head. So how in the world do they stay up there? Well, let's break it down. Clouds are basically just giant collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. They form when warm, moist air rises up into the atmosphere. As this air goes higher, it gets colder, and the water vapor inside it starts to condense around microscopic particles like dust, pollen, or even salt from the ocean. Think of it like the steam from your hot shower hitting a cold mirror. Billions and billions of these tiny droplets come together and boom, you've got a cloud. But why doesn't this 1,000,000-pound behemoth just crash down on us? It's all about density and updrafts. The cloud is heavier than the dry air around it, but the individual water droplets are so tiny and lightweight that the upward-moving air currents, or updrafts, are strong enough to keep them suspended. It's like a constant battle between gravity pulling them down and the rising air pushing them up. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Clouds aren't just an Earth thing. We've found clouds on almost every planet in our solar system. Mars has clouds made of water ice and carbon dioxide. Jupiter and Saturn have spectacular swirling clouds made of ammonia, ammonium hydrosulfide, and water, creating those beautiful colored bands we see. And get this, Venus is completely shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid. Suddenly our water clouds don't seem so bad, right? Back on Earth, clouds are more than just pretty shapes. They're a critical part of our planet's climate. They reflect sunlight back into space, which helps cool the Earth down. But they also act like a blanket, trapping heat radiating from the surface, which keeps us warm. This balancing act is super delicate and plays a huge role in regulating our global temperature. They are the planet's great air conditioner and heater, all in one. So the next time you look up, remember you're not just seeing a puff of white. You're witnessing a 1,000,000-pound collection of tiny water droplets, fighting a constant battle with gravity, all while regulating our planet's temperature. The sky is a lot more dramatic than we give it credit for.